Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to download Unity. At first go to Google and write Unity. Click on download and install. If it is your first time, on first time part, click on start here. Start download. Open. The Unity app installed. Here you need to choose a place for your Unity folder, or just click on install. Now you should create a Unity ID. In the first row choose a username. In second write your email. In third write a password. Click on Create Unity ID. Choose a microgame. And write your age. Wait till the download finish. The download finished. Now you can launch Unity. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel to see more videos about Unity.